Hi, this is Vehicle Fit. We've just done a motorhome security package for this customer. Vehicle Fit 07900 605040. This guy's had a motorhome conversion done. It came with a standard Ford lock, which we've changed for the Replock, which obviously includes the slip bezel. We've also disabled the unlock command off the key, which should be done now with every Replock installed. So push it in, turn left, doesn't do anything, still works on lock. So it's operating central locking, but the unlock command doesn't unlock the back doors. So what we've got on this van is the Replock, and the guys also had an Autowatch Ghost as well, which is the covert immobiliser. So as you can see here, key goes in the ignition. Yep. Ignition goes on. Right, you can see my foot at the same time, it's dead. So clutch down. Vehicle's dead, it won't crank. I should put the pin number in, so turn the ignition off. If you put the pin number in, basically turn the ignition on, don't press anything. The pin code is entered on several vehicle dash buttons, existing buttons. It can be door buttons, light buttons, volume up, volume down, cruise buttons. On this vehicle, I won't say which vehicle the buttons it can be, and I won't show you which buttons it is, but I'll just go out of shot, put the pin number in, and then you wait for a 2 flash indication, and now the van starts. So there's no separate keypads on the dash, there's no indication LEDs, there's nothing to show that this vehicle has been immobilised with a Ghost. The customer's going to change his pin after I've left. I've showed him how to do it because I just set up a dealer pin just for demonstration purposes. So to arm it, all you have to do is turn the ignition off, wait 3 seconds, 2, 3 seconds, and that is now immobilised again. So vehicle won't crank. Okay, so to disarm it, I'll just show you again. Put the key in. When you get in the vehicle, turn the ignition on. Don't press anything on the dash. I shall enter the pin now. I've set a 5-digit pin on this one, but you can set up to 20 digits. There you go. 2 flash confirmation, clutch down again, vehicle starts. That's it. Auto arming takes 3 seconds on a Ford. It depends on which vehicle you do, but 3 seconds for a Ford. If you stall it quickly, you can restart it, but anything longer than 3 seconds on this vehicle will rearm the auto watch. Okay, there's also a dealer mode, sorry not a dealer, a service mode. If the vehicle goes in for a service, we can enable dealer override, so the dealer doesn't know the pin number. So again, it's quite a simple process. You'll disarm the system, and on this particular vehicle the handbrake is the sort of service button. Flick that up 5 times, it'll flash 5 times to confirm, and that disarms it for a service, so you haven't got to give the information out to a third party. Nice little motorhome conversion, brand new, so this is now secure. So Autowatch Ghost and Replock with wiring mods. That's Vehicle Fit in the Midlands 07900 60 50 40. Top.